2024 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It delivers power and performance, along with tons of features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.